kept moving. Go, 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 go. It's really motivated to have grass.
Look, they won't eat the daisies.
That one down there is really pretty.
Yeah. Lisa, that one there, he's leaning sideways. He's a funny little duck. You're a funny alpaca. You got all kinds of wool on you. Hey, Wooly.
Here, buddy.
Charlie. Hey. His bum was hot.
I know. Look at your teeth, you poor bugger.
Oh.
Maybe get his jaw broken or something. Your teeth shouldn't grow out like that.
He's just...
I'm gonna get... No, don't talk about my teeth like that there, lady. Thanks for the grass, but don't talk about my teeth.
See ya.
I can get you some more clover. Not gonna bite my head if you try.
No, but he's close. Hi.
Curious about what I'm doing? Aww, you're so cute.
Who's that?
They're really quite pretty. In a funny kind of way.
He says, I'm handsome, not pretty. Get it straight.
I think it's female. That's a female.
Not from the rear end, I think. Well, you got some bad breath there, bud. See ya. Oh.
He's gonna spit at you, friend.